Slip and fall lawsuits are on the rise in Australia, presenting a significant risk to business owners. Each year, numerous claims result in large settlements and damaged reputations. Imagine facing a lawsuit that could have been prevented. It's concerning, yet many businesses are still unprepared. Adhering to Australian safety standards is vital. Neglecting these standards can expose your business to considerable risks. Simple precautions can have a profound impact. Consistent maintenance, visible signage, and thorough staff training are key measures to avert accidents. Don't wait for an accident to happen. The repercussions can be severe. Safeguard your business and your hard-earned assets. Investing in safety measures is not merely wise, it's imperative. The expense of prevention is much lower than the cost of legal and medical fees. Take action now before it's too late. A slip and fall event can negatively define your business. Be proactive. Enact safety protocols now to prevent significant losses in the future. Secure your business's future. Ensure adherence to standards and protect all that you have built. Your business merits protection. Contact nonslip.com.au at 0404 200 8888.